I built a huge capsule wardrobe, and here are the 8 valuable lessons that I learned. Hi, I'm Crystal from CrystyleCouture, and welcome to my channel. So I built this huge capsule wardrobe, which the video will be linked below. If you watch it, comment down below and let me know you watch it so I can say thank you in advance. Capsule wardrobes are supposed to be easy. They're supposed to be budget friendly. They are also supposed to simplify your morning routine. However, if done incorrectly, it can actually make it more complicated for you to get dressed in the morning and more expensive because you're buying all these different items. So the first lesson I learned was to start off small. Start with about 4 to 5 pieces of each top and bottom, because if you have too many choices and you'll find yourself exhausted with making the decisions. Next would be choosing clothes that are functional to what you actually do from day to day. Not your dream manifestation self, not her, your actual day to day. For example, I am a physical therapist. I do PRN work and work in different facilities that have different dress codes, such as no jeans, no hoodies, causes me to have to move around a lot. So my clothes have to be movable, flexible, and I'm usually wearing sneakers. If you are not working as a stiletto girly, don't put out outfits with just stilettos or outfits with all mini skirts when you know that's not functional for your day to day, because then you're not going to wear them and then you're back at square one, looking in the closet in the morning saying, what am I wearing to work? Or what am I wearing to work from home today? At the end of the day, you want to choose a realistic wardrobe for you and your life, where you are currently today. I will keep saying this till the cows come home. Please choose clothes that are comfortable for you. Again, comfortable for you. Pants that you can breathe in, not the pair that you know that look real cute but you can't move. If you bend down, you don't want to split your pants at work. You don't want to split your pants at work. I've seen it happen, not to me, but I've seen it. What about your arms? Don't have shirts on that are too tight for your arms that look real cute and you're looking like a statue, but as soon as you move your arm up, it's like, that is a real pick what's comfortable, movable, and what most importantly you are comfortable in. Don't be afraid to find your uniform or your like signature style. For example, if you want to be a trousers and chunky shoe girly, then do that. Be comfortable, keep wearing that. There was a time when I wasn't at work and I would always wear graphic tees and jeans, cargos, fatigues, shorts, skirts. I just like graphic tees. Don't be afraid to find your signature style or just your signature look that makes you feel the most comfortable. You can build a capsule wardrobe around that. So I'm super excited to have new audio today. It's from the Deity Pocket Wireless. Let me know if you can hear the difference from my old videos, but I'm super excited. Don't worry, I love it. I linked it down below in case you want to try it out. When it comes down to capsule wardrobe, it's always best to stick to neutrals and then use accessories to add those pops of color and also that pops of personality into your day-to-day outfit. Accessories are going to be where you shine, where your personality comes out. So be sure to add accessorize, whether belt, scarf, hat, sunglasses, brooches. I love a good brooch, by the way. Oh, and a scarf. Ooh, child, a scarf. Anyway, to your outfit, to make the outfit feel more unique to you and to your style. I hope you're enjoying the video, but I've noticed that over 90% of you that watch my content are not subscribed. So it would really help me reach more of you if you would hit that subscribe button. Thank you so very much. Now let's get back to the video. Another valuable lesson is don't forget the basic. You need long sleeve and short sleeve, long skirt and short skirts if that's what you want to wear. In my first capsule wardrobe video, I realized I had no long sleeve shirt. I'm cold natured. I always get cold. So I know for a fact that I need long sleeve shirts to wear for my day-to-day, because usually during the summer people have the AC blasting and then during the winter I'm just always chilly. Editing me here, another lesson that I somehow slipped my mind was that you cannot wear like your showstopper pieces. You know, that skirt with the sequins on that you like to wear. In these cases, you want to kind of keep with the more simplicity is best motto. You definitely want to wear clothes that are more classic, solids, things that necessarily stand out, but that still look put together. Remember, this is supposed to be easy. Save those showstoppers for the weekends or for when you're really going places, girl. Don't forget to update your clothes and choices for each season or even monthly so that you don't get bored with your wardrobe. It's actually called a capsule wardrobe, not a forever wardrobe. By adding and subtracting different pieces in your wardrobe, it'll give you like a new fresh perspective on the same clothes that you already have. And that way you're still saving money, not overspending, while you're still coming up with new ideas ideas for your outfits in your closet. Just give yourself a different rotation. In the links of this video, I also added a little capsule wardrobe basics idea list from my Amazon store, just to give you some options of things that you can buy to add to your capsule wardrobe. And let me know, what are your thoughts? Do you think that capsule wardrobes save money? Do you think that you can create a capsule wardrobe for maybe just your work clothes or your work from home clothes or your weekend wear? Let me know in the comments below. If you're receiving any value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And I'd like to see more educational, wellness, as well as leveling up content for her. Go ahead and subscribe below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.